This is the French onion pot pie. The prep and cook time is 30 to 40 minutes. The ingredients, you're gonna need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 small onion chopped up, a 10.5 ounce can of condensed French onion soup, 1.5 cups of mozzarella cheese, and a tube of refrigerated buttermilk biscuits.
And this recipe was submitted by Annette Ness.
Yes. First direction is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees, which we have already done. Next, we're going to, in a large preheated skillet, medium-high, cook the beef until it's no longer pink. After a few minutes, when there's juice collected in the bottom of your skillet, add the onions.
Alright, so now we're going to transfer the beef and the onion mixture into a greased pan. You can use a pie plate or a baking dish. Now we're going to sprinkle the mozzarella cheese on top. Alright, so this is what it looks like before we bake it. So we're going to put it in the oven until the cheese gets melted, so around like 5 minutes.